What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to link TradingView to Bybit. So currently we're on our TradingView chart and all you need to do is to get over to tradingview.com, log in and select a chart. And then at the bottom right area, you can see the arrow pointing up and it's the open panel button. Click on it. It's going to bring up a list of trusted brokers. Now the size of this window might not be the same for you. You might just need to drag it up a bit to see more. And then you're going to scroll to look for Bybit. If you don't find Bybit in the initial listing, you can scroll down to look for all brokers, click on it, and then you're going to see other brokers. So click on Bybit, and then here it says connect. So click on connect. Then when you get to this page, you'll need to provide your Bybit email and password, basically your login info, in order to connect your Bybit and authorize it to connect with TradingView. When you fill in the details, you can click on login and this will be completed, after which your TradingView will be linked to Bybit. So this is how to link your TradingView to Bybit.